Hi everyone, you're welcome again. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. Yes, how are you keeping up at home? Hope you're enjoying yourself. Hope you are happy. Hope you are eating rightly. I am happy, I am excited to be making today's video. Hope you are staying safe. Don't worry, this period will come and go and we will all be happy. In today's video, I will be making a tutorial on how you can make your cheap and effective whitening cream using products that you can find in your house. If you are the type that have oils and base cream, you are good to go. Here in Nigeria, we are on a lockdown, so we do not have access to a lot of things that we can get from different stores or in stores. So I'm making use of the things I have in the house. And I said, let me show you guys what I'm using. If you have it around you, you can use them to keep up at this time that we are not able to ship, we are not able to go to the stores to get some stuffs. So please stay right through this video and watch it to the end. I promise you are going to enjoy it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please guys, what are you waiting for? Support your girl. Please hit on that subscription button and do not forget to share this video, like it, and inform your friends about my channel. I will seriously appreciate it. Please do not go anywhere. Stay put. Okay guys, let's get straight to mixing cheap whitening cream. This cream is going to actually give you a milky tone. So if you are desiring for a milky tone, this is for you. So I'll want to introduce the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'll be making use of my 72 hours as my base cream. You can see that's what I'm going to be using. Then I'll also be making use of my skin-free milk. Onto it, I'll be adding my pimento serum. I'll also be using my Whitening Shening. Then I'll be using my Magic Ampoules. Also to the mix, I will add bio oil. Bio oil is actually for stretch marks and also for maintenance of collagen of the skin. Then also I'll be adding my Moroccan Extreme Whitening Oil. Nature White. This is about one of the best tubes in the world. Also I'll be making use of my Miracle Gem. And not forgetting my Whitening Ampoules. I'll also be using that, you can see it. Beautiful. So let's get straight to mixing our whitening Milky Tone Cream. Yeah. Make sure your space is clean, sparkling, and everything you want to use is properly washed and ready for use. Okay, I will be using this mixing bowl. The secret about this mix is that you have to mix your tubes first before you add the rest ingredients. So I'll be adding my Miracle Gem. It's almost finished, so I'll want to finish it up. This will be about 15 ml or more, let's say 20 ml. I'm actually not doing much, so I will stick to this. Then I'll be adding my Nature White too. I'll be adding about 15 ml or 20. That'll be cool for this month. Then I will mix the 2 tubes before I add the rest ingredients. Mix them properly. Good. Now that I have the tubes properly mixed, I'll go ahead to add the rest ingredients. I'll be adding my base cream. And I'll be using 100 ml of my base cream. This is 30 ml measurement. So then I'll be adding my skin-free milk. I'll be adding 15 ml of my skin-free milk to the mix. Then I'll be adding my Whitening Shening. I'll be adding 15 ml of it too to the mix. I'll be adding my piment juice. I'll be adding 15 ml of that to my mix. And I'll be adding my magic kinako, 15 ml of that too. And my Moroccan Extreme Whitening Oil. My bio oil. Adding drops of it. And my Whitening Ampoules. Please be careful when you are breaking it so it doesn't cut your hand. Okay, mix properly until everything incorporates into the cream. When you finish, store up in a good container and watch your skin take a beautiful turn. I'm glad you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like it, and share to your friends. And please keep watching this channel. I have loads of stuff to give you guys. Till next time, I still remain yours, Cindy.